The instructor, that is you, uh, understand the issues from a student's dimension, so we have the freedom to ask silly questions also. Sometimes it becomes difficult that as faculty we cannot get down to the depths of asking something very
Yeah.
very fundamental and basic. It becomes very difficult to get that clarity, but since you yourself are a student and you've gone through that journey and come here, I find it very easy to get the relevant answers from you. And most of the times I would be expecting an answer, but I'm doubting my ability to be right.
Yeah.
And so I see the glint in your eyes. Yeah, you got it right, but you're not being able to reach there.
Right.
So I feel confident that okay, next time I can push it. Had it been somebody else who's a little more older than you, I think I wouldn't have pushed it. I would have not asked these questions.
Yeah.
So the point that I'm trying to make is, as an instructor, you're making it easy for the audience to reach out and go to deeper depths of learning it. Because until, what I think and what I believe is, until you don't stumble and you have the courage to make silly mistakes, you won't learn.
Right.
So you instill that courage, you because you are so much more enthusiastic and younger,
Yeah.
but at the same time very very eloquent, and you you express that kind of an expertise.
Thank
It
you.
shows.
Thank you, ma'am.
I know that I can be confident about what you are telling me,
Yes. Thank you.
and so it's been very helpful for me. It's been very useful for me, and I'm sure I must have been the person who springs up with most questions here.
No, no. It's
So
always good. I like inquisitive minds.
Yeah. So thank you so much. It's been a very enriching experience, and it's really very hectic. I've had 2 classes in the day,
Yeah.
and then I had 15 minutes break, and I had 2 more classes. But I didn't have my lunch, and I came back because I
Oh my
didn't want
God.
to lose out this.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It means a lot.
I should thank you, Vinay. You actually embody a lot of a good vibe, and I can see that you actually are very passionate towards what you're doing, and
I'll try to be more better. I'll try to be like you, ma'am.
no, not at all. Not at all. I don't figure in that cloud at all. I hope to be sometime someone who could as eloquently move between standards and let people, take that shift. I'm really very proud of seeing someone as young as you doing so well. I really feel very proud. I would always want my students to be like you, study and earn and do so well, and that your faculty can actually come back to you and learn from you.
The long way ahead, ma'am. Keep your blessings with me. Thank you.
Sure, sure. Any day. Bless you.
Thank
Do
you.
well.